boy Catloco, and as you can see, I can't win on the roof every time. It's gonna rain all weekend. But I mean, I got a surprise for you guys. I'm not gonna let the rain stop me. It is gonna stop me on welding the roof, finish the little pinholes. But we're gonna be active today. There's a little minor setback. I mean, we got rain today, we got rain tomorrow, so that's my weekend basically. If we get decent weather during the week, which I think Monday's like 110, 115, so it won't be Monday. Eventually we finish the roof, man. But being outside, like I said, dealing with the water, it is what it is. But let's go. Yeah, so if you've seen the last video, we got it. We got the 1986 Chevy Caprice, 86 Box Chevy. So yeah, when I saw it, I had to get it, bro. It's a good car. It needs a hood. It needs the bumper filler. So even I saw this on Sunday, I ordered the parts that night, picked it up on Monday and bought it. So I have the front bumper filler at home. I ordered the rear bumper filler. Those right there. There's the back one. I'm just here to see what I'm missing. Got that trim. Like, it's pretty complete. I got all my window trim. I don't know what this is. Tires run flat already in the front, so I might have a slow leak in that one. Window trim's there. That little rubber piece is like $250 for that front bumper trim. So I'm kind of happy I have the little bumper rubber right there. Got my signal lenses, they look good, they look decent. Headlight bezels are there, grills there. We are going to upgrade the front. Dash is cracked, of course. I think I'm missing a door handle. Yeah, I think I'm missing the door pull. So I need a door pull. I need these little end pieces. I need that whole side over there. I think I got a radial bezel already. I need the little knob, shifter knob. I need a mirror. I need a little back piece on both sides. I really think that's it. The two door pieces. Those like sail panels back there. Headliner we're gonna redo, but the actual headliner itself's there. I could use new visors. But yeah, I mean, ain't too much missing at all. It's pretty complete. I don't know why I'm missing the door pull right there. It's like if we can find that color, even better. I'm missing ashtrays. Ashtrays. We got the third brake light. And I do need this back clip. I definitely need that. Got all my emblems. But yeah, I just want to do a quick inventory of the car and see what I'm missing. Got wipers. The funny thing is, I just sold my hood to Steve like a few weeks ago on that white box that you seen. I sold him the white hood from the 90 Box Chevy, and then the windshield. So basically all this car needs is new hood. It needs a windshield, those front door pieces. I already have the filler, the bumper fillers. I might need a front side piece. If the filler doesn't fill that in, I think it does. It's the aftermarket one. I know LS ordered one too after I got one, so it's gonna be right. I'm definitely gonna take that tire to get patched. I think the back one needs it too. But yeah, man, it's a decent car. I'm actually more excited to have this than my two-door, which is weird. But anyway, let's hit the yard, see what we can find. All right, so we're out in the yard. I found what I was looking for at this first one. Well, at least the car, at least. Right here, you got a 1986 Box Chevy. 86 Chevy Caprice. Like I said, mine's is an 86. Mine is an 86. Has the front clip still there, but it's busted. I know people like these front clips. The grill's a little cracked up. Well, it's really cracked up. The lights look new on the one side. Like I said, this little strip is pretty expensive. I think that one's broken off. I think someone's trying to get it. I mean, most of it's intact. Bumper's a little rusty. Got the signal lenses in there. It'd be nice to still have the rubber right there. Let's see what else we got. Got some side trim, windshield trim, mirrors. It's your 86. This quarter is actually better than mine, so I probably could use that if I wanted to. But I think I might just body work mine out. Rear bumper fillers are gone. Back one's still there. Got like some taillights busted. Yeah, it's busted. Yeah, I think someone's trying to take this thing off and just broke it. This thing actually been here like a month, and I totally missed it. I just don't check this yard that much. But yeah, as soon as I saw 86, I jumped on it. Let's see what else we got. Shit. This thing's busted just like mine. want to say this is the exact same material I got. Looks like exactly the same, so this is the right color. And of course, the one in the front's missing. And the whole panel's gone on this side. And the handle. Fuck. I probably could use any handle. I don't think it matters on. I'd probably just take this one, because I don't know if they're left, right oriented, or if they're like the same on each side. And this car is wet from the rain we had last night and this morning. I think these are shorter than the front. That sucks, because I think this is the right color we have. That's weird, they took the handle. It does have the radio though. What is it? Yeah, we might have to get that radio. Does have the shifter I need. Someone was gonna take the column. I think that visor's better than mine, but I don't know if I'm gonna take it. It's not ripped, so I could reuse it, redo it. Headliner completely gone in this one. So yeah, like I said, I needed the a door pull, which just looking from here, that looks longer than the back piece. I might take it off and compare, but visually I can tell that one is a lot longer than the back side. But the door handles will win. We can take the door handles. I might take the radio just for the stock look. Take that radio. Maybe the headliner. Maybe the sun visors. I need to look at my video on my other one and make sure. So I probably can reuse mine. Just redo it. And those panels in the back are gone on this one. That piece right there. I needed that. That's pretty much it. The hood's long gone. I think the hood was damaged anyway. So I know this yard had 86. I might go back to that yard that had that 90 9C1. They actually had two 90s. I only looked at the 9C1. Oh, they have hinges too. Huh. Yeah, I might have to get these hinges too. Yeah, I think we can get these hinges. And I need to look at the engine and see if I'm missing anything, because I don't really plan on keeping the engine in there, but it does run. It has a high idle right now, but I can fix that. And then we're going to LS swap my 86 with a 5.3. I'm thinking 5.3 turbo right now, but definitely a 5.3 in there. The 77 going to get the 6.0. Like crazy. It's sun faded just like mine. Same exact color. I'm pretty sure this is the same exact color. I gotta look at those pillars. I feel like my pillars are different than that. But yeah, let me grab some parts off this and I'll hit you back. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.